Alrighty, folks, gonna do another gear vid. That's what we did was the dime, right? Nice, handy little pocket thing, but I needed to replace my multi-tool, which went south somewhere. I have no idea where it is. I shopped around, and I went with this one. SOG or SOG multi-tool power access. This is the bonus kit with a hex bit kit including 13 tools. And a Centi I folding knife. The Centi I must be that little tiny knife there. I'm gonna take a look at it, maybe to make like a decent, not a billfold, but a money clip. The reason I went with this one is a case. We're selling a lot of these without cases, which I don't understand, but you know, I'm not the company that makes them. So, what did I pay for this thing? $36.95. $36.95. I have some SOG stuff. Specifically, I have a couple of their knives, actually. We are going to get to use the tool on this, though, because we've got it locked up in this nuclear bomb-proof clamshell crap that drives me insane anyway. Wait a second. You know how old my old tool was? All the tools opened on the inside, and these all open on the outside. So, this is supposed to be designed for this shit. Let's find out. Once you get it in there and you get the angle right, it cuts. As I slam it into my belly. You know, we wouldn't have to worry about any of this shit. If we could take back government and get them to repeal the 800 frickin' million stupid extra laws we have politicians use to scare stupid people into voting for them, then we could do shit like put people who steal on the friggin' rock pile again. Put it back on the chain gang. Alright, so this is that little Centi I knife. As long as my index finger or my thumb is 2 inches, so yeah, maybe a little more than 2.5 inches. No lock. No clip. I think this goes in the box. All the other stuff I will never use. It's a cute little knife, but I already have a keychain knife. I have that katana, which I like. Nice knife, and it locks. The blade's a little longer, sharper than hell. I think the key to this is you push it down and it cuts pretty well. So this goes to show you sometimes there's an advantage to being the new and improved smarter monkey. Case. bits up. Here's your look at the back. All the tech specs and whatnot. So, the Centi I folding knife. Centi I folding knife features slim line convenience, perfect for a keychain. Okay, like I said, I already got one now. Fizzy water. The weight is 0.4 ounces, so it is super light. The overall length is 3.4 inches. The blade length is 1.14 inches. It's made out of 3 CR13, and the RC, which I'm guessing is supposed to be the Rockwell scale, is 50 to 52, and the finish is bead blasted. I have a can opener on my keychain that's bigger than this thing. P51, not the P38. So the power access multi-tool. Oh, these aren't spring-loaded. I'm surprised. They do have, though, you see the gears? Well, I guess that's where they get power assist from. Comes with pliers and grippers, soft wire cutter, hard wire cutter, crimper, can opener, Phillips screwdriver, small flat screwdriver, bottle opener, thank God it's got that, medium flat screwdriver, 3-sided file, 2 1/4 inch straight blade, jewelry driver. I don't know what a jewelry driver is. It does come with an awl, which could come in handy. Large flat screwdriver and magnetic hex bit holder. Oh, and a ruler and a protractor. Okay. I actually did like the protractor thing on here. I don't know if you'll be able to pick it up. But, focus, you stupid machine. Yeah, probably not. The black bar that's riveted in, you have your degrees so that you can literally use it. Measure angle. That was pretty cool. It does have a nice pocket clip. So, pliers, soft and hard wire cutter, crimper. There's your crimper. These are all supposed to open outwards, so let's close it. There's your 3-sided file, can opener and screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, bottle opener. They're smooth, they're pretty silky coming out, which is nice. Then you have to worry about once they break in whether or not it's too silky. There's your knife, your sunglasses screwdriver. I get it now. Jewelry driver. Thanks, fellas. Screwdriver again. And then I have absolutely no idea why. This is a thing, but it is a thing, and it does come in handy. Here's your hex bit driver. So I guess maybe we're out somewhere and an optic came loose or something. It could come in handy. It does have a case, which is nice. It's not particularly sturdy. It slides right on and off. The case is supposed to lock in here. Well, let's do this correctly. Let's put the tool away. Close it. That should make it a little stiffer. And slide that in there. Not super thrilled with the fact that there's no bottom on it. No way to lock it in. Shit drives me crazy. Of course, you can always do that. Now nothing's going anywhere. I have an extra loop that I have no idea what it's for. So, Velcro's the front on. It's got a drainage hole. Standard Molly. I bet. We'll stick this on the dog belt. No tree saw. I'm surprised. Used to be every tool had a little tiny tree saw in there. No saw. Yeah, well, shit happens. Okay, folks. Thanks for popping in, swinging by, putting some eyeballs on this. I will catch you on the next one. It's Saturday. It's hot out. I'm going to go jump in the pool. And I'm going to try and digitally detox, which is what weekends are for. So, is what it is. I'll catch you later on the next one. There will be, of course, a link down below if this thing has tickled your fancy. I forgot to tell you what the bits are. So the hex bits are a 1.5 and a 2 millimeter. The star drives are T6, T8, T10, T20. The Phillips are a 123, and the flathead is a 357. So those are the bits that go into the bit holder. I don't know. Everything else we'll find out. But it does have compound leverage technology. That's what the gears are for. So it gives you a little extra grab. The ability to leverage more pressure on your project. Alright. Thanks for coming by, folks. I will I'll catch you on the next one. It's not a Leatherman. It's also not $130. At some point I have to replace my Leatherman now. Dude, it's like my Raptors. Love my Raptor shears, but the fuckers are $90 a pair anymore. Lose a pair of them, boy. Ooh, you cry. Alright, I will catch you. There's that box cutter thing. On the next one, my friends. I want you to have a nice weekend. Stay safe, be happy, all that happy crap. And remember to stay in the moment. Unplug, detox. Let your brain clear out a little. It isn't going to hurt you. Salute.